Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change phone banners to the full screen notification of call on the iPhone. Today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So let's open settings. Then what you want to do is to search for the phone, so search for it, tap, just click it, and then you want to go in the incoming calls from banner to the full screen. So now the phone, the FaceTime and other apps you use to receive calls will use selected display style. So now either you're gonna get a call from the WhatsApp or from the phone or from the FaceTime, it is going to be the full screen notification, not just a banner. Now you're gonna have the banner and now you're gonna have the full screen. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.